Hey Jammers, and this is Robin888. And what was I gonna say? Anyway, it doesn't matter to me because this is my first video, and first videos are supposed to be random, I guess. Well, Julian 2's first video was a giveaway. And then somehow... What? Okay, anyway, why did I mention Julian 2? Anyway. Item... I like sorting things by their item. Anyway, let's do the stuff. Aww, I get the friendship bracelets. Well, that notifies how many friends I have. Best friends. Silver ring, sun hat, moon hat, star hat, spirit gloves, spirit armor, spirit helmet. God. Eagle hat, real musketeer boots, rare baseball cleats, tuxedo, jacket, hood with her. You get it? Robin888, Robin Hood. Yeah. Okay. Some of you might get it, some of you might. Cowboy boots, cowboy. Lasso. Wow. Hey, raccoon hat, slingshot, Jamale scarf. Ear muffs. I thought it was ear muffs. Ear huff settle. First time. And monster teeth. Hollow. Butterfly necklace. And Deer's mask, the first time I wore it. As a member. I can tell you I'm a member because I was a member. All those just for 2 articles, 2 kangaroos, because me and my brother share this account. And the first time I wore it, just scared me. Said, oh my god, it looks so ugly. Anyway, dragonfly wings, brown glasses. Man, that makes me look like a nerd. But I like this look somehow. I mean, I even made a super cool artwork for somebody. Crossbow, diamond necklace. Phoenix armor, Stegosaurus. I am a Stegosaurus. Squidward! Oh my god, clarinet! Squidward! He lives on. Night helmet, Stegosaurus. I am a Stegosaurus. Oh god, I love that line. A guitar, sandals. Oh god. Hat with treadle. Okay, imagine the DR not being there. Deadlocks, gold locks, beret, kite, diamond earrings, lollipop necklace, lightning necklace, star necklace.
Because I forgot how you scared me.
Brother, I am recording. Anyway, sun necklace, nunchucks. Are you happy or something? Sorry about that. Royal tiara, phantom necklace. Again. Bonnet. Oh, full outfit. Aw, you got food first. I'm gonna be. I don't know, myself. Party ad.
Is this showing you inventory?
I am not sure because one time I did this video, I accidentally clicked restart, and your friend was just, I never knew she was just standing there, and sorry if you guys just heard that, but I forgot for a moment that it was on recording. Hey bro, if mom calls, can you bring me my food? You have to.
Sorry, we're talking like in the background just because I Indian.
What? You want to say something to the jammers?
Yeah.
You're happy, you're smirking. You're just wanting to show off.
Me.
You're just wanting to show off. Oh look, I can see myself. This is a Joji screen.
For whoever who watch Naruto channel.
Yeah, if you watch Naruto Shippuden or Naruto, you can know the characters. Oh, please don't just brag about how rare you are, or rare I am, or non-rare I am, or what stupid idiot. Yeah, whatever. Because there's a chance that I might even be older than you. Plus, I'm not a boy. I'm his sis. I mentioned it in the video if I remember so, but... Okay, but Maybe
This
then.
video is like 5 minutes long already.
I don't know if it is. Yeah, you're right. It's fine. Okay. And now what was I supposed to do? Anyway, bye.